Hi there, everyone. Welcome back. And this is Marlon Can from moneyandbusiness.ca. And I will be walking you through another one of the video series on bulk uploading to online marketplaces. This exercise is about generating a title for your online marketplaces. Now, what I've done here with the spreadsheet, we have the combined spreadsheet here with all of the data on it. We have already completed the URLs as per another video series. And now we have to create the title. Now, these are computers here we're selling. Well, actually, laptops. And I have created several different keywords for the title, sorry, not keywords, several different sections of words that when put together can give you an appropriate title. And this is what I've come up with so far. Now, what I'm starting off with here is the manufacturer of the item, because as we have seen in the keyword research, let's go back here, we see some people search for Samsung laptop, then Toshiba laptop, Acer laptop. So obviously what we have to do is to start with the manufacturers first, then add the word laptop to it, and anything else can come afterwards. So let's go back to the combine sheet. Okay, here. This is the title, which I have split into the type of computer: Compaq, HP, or Dell, Lenovo, MacBook, Asus, Gateway, Acer Aspire, or Toshiba, or Samsung. And I have split that into two, and I've put the model separately. Now, the reason for that is that I wanted this to be the title first, then the word laptop, as per the keyword research, which I'll copy, put into the first column, which is the manufacturer. Then the keyword is actually laptop, L-A-P-T-O-P, as we've seen a lot of people search for that. And as per the keyword research as well, while people may search for laptops or laptop, they also search for laptop deals. So I'm going to use those words. So instead of just saying laptop, I'll say laptop deals. So if someone search for laptop or laptop deals, then most likely this item will show. Then I will increase. Then after someone searches for that type of laptop or laptop deal, then we can begin to describe the item afterwards. Um, Screen size. Let's go back to the combined sheet. The screen size is in one of these columns here. Here, this column. So I'll copy that and paste it into the title section. Then the model, which was separated out initially with these here, the models. So the title is simply a combination of various information that describes the item that is being sold. Now in this case, we have to look for RAM. RAM is the random access memory, which is this column. I'll copy that and put it into the title. However, notice that this here may have like maximum. It may have additional information. And as we will see a little later, Kijiji, for example, the maximum letters you can use, the number of characters you can use in the title is 65. In Craigslist, it's 70. eBay is 85, and Amazon is the most liberal, which allows 500 characters, sorry, to be used in the title. So we have to be careful about the number of characters put in here, and do not uselessly use words that are not needed. So all I can hear, the maximum, I will keep that for the description. In the title, I will just delete those just to shorten the amount of characters that are being used. I do not need to mention the word memory. That is understood for someone who is looking for a computer, hopefully. This information is pertinent, but it will be mentioned in the description. So it's a DDR3. Just delete the unnecessary. And that's it. We have created a list of, we have removed the unnecessary characters. Now, HDD is the hard drive description. People may want to know what is the size of the hard drive, and we have that right here. So copy that and paste it into the title. Again, what is necessary here is just the size of the hard drive. It is not needed to tell someone whether it's a SATA or an IDE. So I will select that column, press Ctrl F. Then I'll go to replace and I'll type SATA and I will replace with absolutely nothing. In effect, what I've just done is simply deleted all of the unnecessary characters for the title. I'll do the same with IDE, replace. Is anything else needs to be deleted? SSD. Okay, that's perfect there. Okay, this is obviously a mistake. So that will need to be corrected. Column row 12. The HDD cannot be. So I will correct this and I'll be right back with you. Okay, we're back. So this is actually 250 gigabytes of hard drive. Operating system, all of them are Windows 7 Pro. I would not spell that out, it will be too much, except for the MacBooks, which will be Mac operating system. Just Mac. Windows 7 Pro, I will copy that right down. The abbreviations were necessary to save space. And the warranty, 30 days. Laptop deals, just copy right down to the bottom. Okay, the warranty begin to add one particular day after each one, so just copy and paste to correct this mistake. Paste. Excellent. Control S. So that's pretty much our title for Kijiji, Craigslist, and eBay. I'm thinking this will give us the maximum between 65 to 85 characters. Now this is how it's added. We use that magic formula again, equal to compact and hyphen hyphen This time we put a space in between because we would like to have a space between the two words. And laptop deals and hyphen space hyphen and screen size and hyphen space hyphen and model and hyphen space hyphen and hyphen space hyphen and hard drive and hyphen space hyphen and operating system and hyphen space hyphen and warranty. Enter. And that simply generates out a complete title. That's not the Kijiji title. Ah, delete. This is the title. Title draft. And just like before, if we select the plus sign at the bottom right of the cell and just drag downwards, then the entire titles would be automatically generated. Voila, everything has been completely generated. So we have the manufacturer, we have laptop deals and specifications of the laptop itself. Control S. Now, Kijiji only uses the first 65 characters. If you put anything else other than that, it will be rejected. Now, there is a way to cut this title down to 65. So you put an equal sign and we start typing left. Click on the left and text. We select here, comma, and then enter the amount of characters that are desired. In this case, it's 65. Close bracket, enter. And this will automatically cut the title down to 65 characters. We drag this downwards to replicate downwards. And there we have it. You know, the sum of the letters at the end have been cut off to ensure it's now only 65 characters. So there we have. We have generated the titles for Kijiji. And you can do the same for Craigslist and for eBay. The difference with eBay, since you have an additional 20 characters there, another keyword can be added in. So let's try to do that. What I'll do here, I'll copy here, and I'll open a new sheet, paste, and instead of Kijiji, I will make this Craigslist. Craigslist 85. '70 characters rather. And the formula, I will change that to 70. Then I will replicate downwards. And there we have Craigslist title. Control S to save. Now I will do that again for eBay. However, this time, since we have to play around with 85 characters, I will add in another keyword. Okay, so let's go back to the keyword research and see which words we can use. Where we use laptop deals, we use these words here. We have not used the pure laptop, so let's add laptops into it. So I will simply insert here and add keyword number 2, laptops. And I will copy this right down so the plural is in. However, now we have to come here and change, we have to add in that particular column. So we have A, we have B, so it's a hyphen, and laptops, and hyphen space, enter. You can see that the words laptop has been added, laptops has been added in. We'll replicate that downwards. And since this is for eBay, we have to switch this to 85 characters. We'll replicate this downwards. And there we have it, our titles for eBay. This can also be used for Amazon. Is any of them looks as though they've been cut off? The answer is no. So this can also be used for Amazon. If it was much longer, then you would have created another sheet and set the maximum characters as 500 instead of 85. Okay, so that has completed the title generation. I will come back and I'll show you how to generate a description. Okay,